Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing a flood of notifications. You made a sale. You made a sale. You didn't have to pack anything. You didn't have to touch a single product, yet your Etsy shop just made you $500 overnight. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in 2025, this is more possible than ever, thanks to print on demand. This business model is exploding. And if you've ever wanted to start an online business but don't want to deal with inventory, shipping, or huge upfront costs, then this is the opportunity you've been waiting for. Print on demand, or POD, is a business model where you create designs that get printed on products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and even home decor. But instead of keeping stock, a third-party company prints and ships the item only when someone places an order. That means no risk of buying a ton of inventory that doesn't sell, no expensive upfront costs, and no dealing with shipping headaches. And here's the best part. In 2025, this market is bigger than ever. More people are shopping online, looking for unique and personalized products, and platforms like Etsy have made it easier than ever to get in front of buyers who are ready to spend. If you're wondering if print on demand is too saturated, let me tell you, most people do it the wrong way. They throw up generic designs, don't understand their audience, and never learn how to market properly. But today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do this the right way so you can actually make sales and turn this into a real income stream. The first step is picking your niche and deciding what products to sell. This is where most people go wrong. Instead of creating a bunch of random designs and hoping something sticks, you need to start by finding a niche, something that has demand but isn't completely flooded with competition. A niche is just a specific market or audience you're creating products for. This could be dog lovers, gym enthusiasts, coffee addicts, or even something more specific like people who love hiking with their golden retrievers. The more specific you get, the better chance you have of standing out. To find a good niche, go to Etsy and use the search bar. Type in something broad like funny t-shirt and look at the autofill suggestions. These are things people are actively searching for. Then, check the top-selling listings. Are there a lot of reviews? That means there's demand. Are there thousands of shops selling the same design? That means competition is high, and you'll need a unique angle. Look for a balance. Something people are already buying, but where you can bring something fresh. Once you find your niche, decide what products make sense. Are you creating t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or something unique like tote bags or wall art? Choose products that align with your niche and that people are already buying. Once you've chosen your niche and products, the next step is to create your designs and pick the right platform to produce them. This is crucial because not all print-on-demand services are the same. Some have higher quality, some have better profit margins, and some integrate better with Etsy or Shopify. The most popular POD platforms are Printify, Printful, and Gelato. Printify is great for keeping costs low because it connects you with different print providers, allowing you to pick the cheapest option. Printful is more premium. It has higher prices but excellent quality and fast shipping. Gelato is a solid middle ground with a strong global reach. If you're starting out and want the highest profit margins, I recommend Printify. But if you care about branding and customer experience, Printful might be the better choice. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to create your designs. If you're a designer, you can use tools like Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop. But if you're not, don't worry. You can use Canva, which is free and super easy to use. And if you don't want to create designs at all, you can hire designers on Fiverr or Upwork for as little as $10. The key here is to create simple, bold, and readable designs. Most of the best-selling print-on-demand products aren't super complicated. They're clean, easy to read, and resonate with a specific audience. Now that you have your niche, your product, and your designs, the final step is listing and marketing your products on Etsy or Shopify. If you want fast, organic traffic without running ads, Etsy is the way to go because it already has millions of buyers searching for products. But if you want full control and are willing to learn marketing, Shopify is a great long-term option. Let's start with Etsy. The key to making sales on Etsy is optimizing your listings. Your title should include important keywords that people are searching for, like funny gym t-shirt for fitness lovers instead of just gym shirt. Your description should clearly explain the product, who it's for, and why it's unique. And most importantly, your images need to be top-notch. People buy with their eyes, so use high-quality mock-ups from your print provider or create custom lifestyle images with Placeit. When you launch your store, Etsy won't automatically push your listings to the top, so getting initial traction is key. You can do this by running Etsy ads with a small daily budget, driving traffic from social media, or even offering a small discount for first-time buyers. If you go with Shopify, the process is a little different. You'll need to drive your own traffic, which means learning how to market using social media, influencers, or paid ads. One of the best free strategies in 2025 is using TikTok and Instagram Reels. Create short videos showcasing your product in real-life scenarios. Share funny or relatable content that connects with your niche, and even show behind-the-scenes clips of how your designs are made. If you can make a viral TikTok, you can generate thousands of sales without spending a dime on ads. Another underrated strategy is using Pinterest. Pinterest is a visual search engine, and print-on-demand products do really well there. Pin your products consistently, use keywords in your descriptions, and over time, you'll get free organic traffic. If you're willing to invest in ads, start small with Facebook or Instagram ads, test different audiences, and scale up what works. At this point, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but how much can I actually make? The truth is, it depends on how much effort you put in. Some people make a few $100s a month as a side hustle, while others scale to six figures and beyond. The key is consistency. Keep testing designs, improving your listings, and growing your marketing efforts. The biggest mistake people make is quitting too soon. Success with print on demand doesn't happen overnight, but if you stick with it, you can create a business that generates passive income for years to come. So now you have the blueprint. You know how to pick a niche, create designs, and list and market your products. The only question left is, are you going to take action? Most people will watch this video and do nothing. But the ones who take even a small step, researching a niche, setting up a store, or designing a few products, will be the ones who succeed. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth strategies on making money online. And if you're serious about starting your print-on-demand business, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what niche you're thinking about. See you in the next video.